evening, everyone. I just finished with work and I just got home. It's around 8 o'clock in the evening and I just got ready again to head out to catch an red-eye flight to Toronto. I'm going there for a few nights to spend some time with my friends and family back home. So I am super excited and I am ready to head out in a little bit.
This train is for YVR Airport.
Putting up our Christmas tree. Finally, it's been so long. So we just set up our tree here. We're gonna decorate it. Finished with our tree. Looking so cute. On my way to the airport to head back to Vancouver tonight. So I just quickly changed and got ready to maybe go out for a walk. It is raining, but I mean, I have to go to the grocery store to get a couple things. So I thought maybe I'll still go out since I've been indoor all day basically. So kind of just want to get fresh air. We'll see how the weather is outside. It's just drizzling, so I don't think it's that bad for me to walk. I am currently making my lunch for tomorrow as well as the day after. And this is the process. I'm thinking of making one Alfredo pasta and wall tomato pasta. So that's what we're gonna do. The sausages are gonna go with the Alfredo pasta, and I think I'm gonna be putting shrimp for my tomato pasta. So let's see how that goes. I divided the pasta in half, like somewhat evenly, and then I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. I was actually gonna make one Alfredo pasta and one tomato pasta, but instead I think I'm just gonna make another rosé pasta for one of them instead of the regular tomato sauce. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil and then fry up some of the onions that I have. Just gonna put half of it because I'm gonna use the other half in the rosé. Okay, so lunch 1 is done. This is like a sausage Alfredo pasta. I'll just leave it here until it kind of cools down a little bit. Okay, so similar to the Alfredo, I'm gonna add a little bit of oil. And then for this one, because we're using shrimp, I'll kind of put the shrimp and the onions together for it to cook a little bit. So ta-da! Both lunches are done. So we just finished with kind of just like browsing around. We just had like a hot dog for a snack and we're just on our way back. We just shopped around and just like looked around the mall. I finally got called for a flight. I'm so nervous. It's been so long. Well, I just finished getting my makeup done. I'm just gonna wear my uniform and head out soon. So I just checked in at the hotel in Edmonton. I'm just staying here for one night and doing another flight tomorrow morning. I am pretty hungry right now because I haven't had anything to eat in the morning because I got a pretty early call and didn't really have a lot of time to get ready. So maybe I'll just quickly go change and see what's out there. So I just came back to my hotel room. I'm just about to eat. I just ended up getting this kind of like a Japanese bento box. Good morning, guys. It is currently 5 a.m. It's super early. I just finished getting ready to go on my flight today. It's gonna be a busy day since I'm going to Toronto and then to Ottawa, then back to Toronto, and then staying over in Toronto for a few hours and going back to Vancouver tomorrow morning. Just finished getting ready and now I am ready to head downstairs. afternoon, everyone. It's been a couple of days now and I just finished getting ready today to head to the airport. I am doing a standby at the airport today. I really hope I don't get called for a flight because I'm supposed to come back home with my friend who's coming back from Toronto. So I'm really looking forward to that because I haven't seen her in like a week. So I hope I get to come home with her, but I just finished getting ready. I did my hair and I am just about to go change into my uniform, but I thought I would bring you guys along with me. So it's been a couple of hours now and I am still at the airport, clearly. I was literally this much close of being called for a flight, but thankfully it changed last minute, so I didn't have to go anywhere. I'm just waiting right now for my friend to arrive. I got changed because the uniform was uncomfortable, but it's been a really long day today. Super dark outside. It's currently around like 8:30 p.m. So that was all for this week's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!